Imagine waking up in 2025, living your dream life, the career, relationships, health, and freedom you've always wanted. Sounds amazing, right? What if I told you you already have the power to create that life? Yes, you. And today I'm sharing how you can do it using Neville Goddard's principles of manifestation. Stick around, because by the end of this video, not only will you know exactly how to apply these teachings, but I'll also share a powerful bonus tip to kickstart your dream life right now. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why so many of us feel stuck or lazy when it comes to creating the life we desire. It's not because you're lazy, it's your mindset. Our subconscious is like a garden. If we don't plant the right seeds, we end up with weeds. Most people don't realize they're stuck in a loop of negative assumptions. They believe life is happening to them instead of through them. But the great news is, as Neville taught, change your assumption and you change your world. So how do we do that? Let me show you. Neville's method is simple but profound. He taught that the key to manifesting your dream life is assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Here's how you can start. Step 1. Define your dream life. Get crystal clear on what you want. Not just vague ideas, be specific. Picture the exact house, career, or relationship you desire. Write it down if it helps. Step 2. Use visualization. Every night before sleep, close your eyes and imagine yourself already living that life. Feel it. How does it feel to hold the keys to your dream house, or to wake up in the arms of someone you love? Immerse yourself in the scene. Step 3. Assume it's already done. This is the magic. Don't just imagine it, assume it's already yours. Neville said, the feeling of the wish fulfilled must be felt in your imagination now. When you walk, act as if you already are that version of yourself. Why December is your month for a new beginning. Here's why December is the perfect time to start. This month symbolizes endings and beginnings. Forget about past mistakes, they don't define you. Focus on now. Use this month to set small, consistent actions toward your dream life. Remember, consistency is key. Even when it feels slow, trust the process. Neville taught us that persistence in the assumption brings results. So don't give up. Trust the universe has your back. One powerful mindset shift. Stop waiting for motivation and start relying on discipline. Build habits that align with your dream life. Take small steps daily, whether it's journaling, meditating, or visualizing. These little actions compound into massive results. Here's your bonus tip: celebrate small wins. Every little shift in your mindset or action toward your dream life deserves recognition. Why? Because gratitude multiplies blessings. So let's make December your launch pad into 2025. Start imagining, start assuming, and start believing. Drop a comment below and share one thing you're manifesting for next year. I'd love to cheer you on. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a new video. Here's to manifesting the life of your dreams. See you next time.